Hi, my name is Waqar Shah. I'm the founder and CEO of Superbutler. Our mission is to innovate the hospitality and hoteling industry through digitization. Imagine a universe where hotels effortlessly caters guests' requests, crafting unforgettable experiences that turn them into repeat customers.
Introducing Superbutler, which will modernize your hotel services. Picture your guests having the ability to order meals and minibar items, schedule spa treatments, request laundry services, arrange for taxis, purchase local tours, or reserve meeting rooms, all at their fingertips by simply scanning a QR code. Based on our personal experience staying in hotels, we've noticed that third-party food delivery services have a substantial impact on the hotel kitchen's profits, leading to a decrease in overall revenue. The technology is fully mobile responsive and does not require app installation or registration. Services can be translated into several languages in real time. We are dedicated to improving the guest experience. Our platform empowers guests to report room issues with just a few taps. Hotel staff can then promptly address these concerns, ensuring a seamless experience for our guests. However, it's not limited to guests. Superbutler also seeks to provide hotel managers with valuable insights through a dashboard. You can monitor orders in real time, respond to guest feedback, and track orders as they are being prepared all in one place.
Hi, I'm Paul Howarth, Chief Commercial Officer of Superbutler, bringing with me over 22 years' experience of the hospitality industry. Join us as we embark on a journey to digitise the hotels in London. We've assembled a strong, experienced team of executives and advisors, bringing with them a wealth of experience from various industries. Initially, we're targeting the 1,000 plus hotels in London, an industry of over 15 million annual visitors, creating a market opportunity of over £15 billion.
Our mission? To bring the Superbutler services to every corner of this thriving city. We aim to transform the hospitality industry worldwide. So hey, why not join us and become an investor today?